cooking infused, this flavor exploding in your mouth, a feeling imploding in your body, and bringing it all together with friends, family, and fun. What could possibly be better than that? Ardra Sinette with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. Okay, so what I did was I took a piece of steel trout, I seasoned it, and then I topped it with canola butter. So it's going to be infused trout. I want to do some infused olive oil and sear it in the pan. It's going to be fire! So dope. He eating it and I just couldn't resist. Look at this. Oh man, look at that canola butter all on there. That is just beautiful. And it tastes good. And them my Thanksgiving collards right there. What? Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.